Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek at the production facility in China that makes the vinyl plank flooring that we use. So this is all of the raw materials, and at this facility they are making the SPC vinyl. So this is click vinyl flooring that has a rigid core that we use in the majority of our installation processes and is wonderful for the nosings that we make to install on the stairs. So all those raw materials go into the automated machines here, and then will come out as that beautiful vinyl plank flooring in a variety of colors and thickness. What's really great about this vinyl plank flooring is the actual clicking system. So if you've ever tried to install vinyl plank flooring, you'll often notice that you're trying to click in two different directions at the same time, and that doesn't happen here. So our first longwise, we are going to use the angle to click into place. So you're going to see it here. We go up to click down. But for ours, when you go to do that next piece, it's going to simply drop straight down into that activated click there. So instead of trying to go up and down on both of those angles, it's simply going to click into place, and it is going to still be held because of that maneuvering lock there. So it really is a wonderful vinyl plank flooring. You can see here this color is running through out in the long planks to get ready for that installation, and lots of those other options that are there. We have a lot of customers that are really curious about the production process, and so we thought we'd give you this sneak peek here. If you are interested in getting vinyl plank flooring for your own property, we do sell it through our website at stepupvinyl.ca. We also supply vinyl to lots of different stores that you'll be able to find it at there. So if you are interested in carrying the vinyl at your own store, or you're interested in finding out where you can find it, please reach out on the website, which is listed right here, stepupvinyl.ca, and you'll be able to get in touch with us there. So these are all the automated machineries with the different aspects. Not going to go into too much detail, but I know a lot of people are very curious about what that process is. And here we have those final produced vinyl planks. So they're all ready to get boxed now. You can see the variations in color. There's also variation in the wear layers and the thickness of the vinyls depending on what our customers are looking for. And then they're going to find their way into the boxes before they make their way across the ocean to Canada and the US to be laid in floors like yours. So as I mentioned, please reach out. Also, if you can hit that subscribe button and check out our channels, we have tons of tips and tricks on installing vinyl plank flooring. And as I mentioned, we do bend vinyl plank flooring into stair nosings, and lots of tips and tricks on how to install those into your own home. So here's that final machine here, getting those boxes all ready. This is probably one of my favorite ones, moving it over into the pallets and getting it ready for shipment and to get into the homes of those customers that are going to love that transformation so much. So here it goes, coming down here, and then it's going to move over there. And then once they're in the pallets, they are ready to ship. So thanks so much for watching. Again, please hit that subscribe button and reach out on our website, stepupvinyl.ca, if you're interested in purchasing some vinyl, if you have your own business or your store and you're interested in carrying our products and or becoming one of the manufacturer of our nosing. We'll see you in the next video.